What's up guys, so we're going to be moving straight into the eyes. I'm going to be prep and priming my eyelids for eyeshadow application, and I'm just going to be using the LA Girls Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and I'm going to be just smoothing the concealer out on my eyelids before we proceed on to using the ABH Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. For this look, I'm going to be using the first shade that's called Orange Soda and use it to just buff around all over the eyelid before we go in with some deeper shades. Once that shade is all buffed in nicely, I'm going to be picking a pencil brush and I'm going to be taking the shade Mulberry and just diffusing the color all over the crease nicely so. To soften out the harsh edges, I'm going to be using a clean concealer brush and just lightly go all over the areas where I feel like there needs to be a little bit of blending work done. If you've noticed, I've kept the middle of the eyelids shadow free, and that's because I'm going to be using my pinky to pick up a little bit of sultry and placing it just slightly into the middle and buffing it out with my ring finger or the middle finger, and this is such a beautiful halo spotlight. And for a tad bit cleaning up, I'm going to be using the lightest shade from this eyeshadow palette on a slanted angle brush, and I'm just going to be using the color just below my eyebrows, and I'm going to be buffing it out with a yet another blending brush like so. I'm going back to the crease with the same crease color on a smaller pencil brush and redefining the color where I feel like I lost a little bit during my blending. Now I'm just going to be taking the same color down onto my lower lash line to add a little bit of definition. And now to complete the eye look, I'm going to be going in with the Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner. I gotta say that I was apprehensive at first because of its applicator wand-like thingy that you see over here, but the pigmentation is so powerfully strong and really opaque, and it really applies well, and it's really easy to apply a wing with this application wand. So what do you know, it's such a affordable, drugstore friendly price tag it has. You definitely have to try it out. And of course, no eye makeup look is complete if you're not going to be applying some few coats of mascara to your upper and lower lashes, and that's exactly what I'm doing now.